Greetings to all law school deans. This video introduces the LawSchoolCareerAdvisor.com website, Speakers Bureau, and Solo Practice Incubator, explaining how to improve your law school's ranking with U.S. News and World Report by minimizing the number of unemployed graduates reported on the employment summary submitted to the ABA section of Legal Education and Admission to the Bar. The Law School Career Advisor website, Speakers Bureau, and Solo Practice Incubator can be a tool for career advisors helping 3Ls and recent graduates who have not secured employment, help them start a law firm after passing the bar, and help alumni explore a new career path or re-enter the job market by building marketable skills. It's a win-win situation. Lawyers become their own boss, and the law school career placement statistics are enhanced, and the law school rankings improved. I'm your host, Robert Schaller, an attorney with over 35 years of experience and a registered certified public accountant. I'm also the author of the 500-page book titled Law School Career Advisor's Resource to Starting a Solo Law Firm, with the subtitle Exploring a New Career Path. I also authored the 6-volume treatise titled Schaller Bankruptcy Masterclass, Practice System, and Toolkit. These books are available on Amazon.com. I anticipate providing a free copy of the Advisor's Resource Guide to your law school upon request. As you know, law school advisors serve as a vital linchpin between the College of Law and career success. Career advisors are committed to maximizing job placement for 3Ls and are encouraged to provide a seminar or webinar on starting a solo law firm for 3Ls who have not secured employment. Law school deans should support career advisors who can help guide 3Ls and alumni to a more fulfilling career opportunity. The Speakers Bureau, in conjunction with the website and Solo Practice Incubator, were designed to teach 3Ls and alumni how to start a law firm and to provide substantive skills that can be marketed to needy clients who will pay legal fees. This website shares my 35-plus years of legal experience and offers tips on starting a law firm in the current legal environment. I provide concrete guidance about issues I wish somebody had taught me before I started my own law firm. Please consider directing your advisors to offer a seminar or webinar to 3Ls and alumni who are encouraged to start their own law firm. I'm available to speak live at your law school or present remotely via Zoom. Together, we can help 3Ls and alumni reap the rewards of their intensive legal training while simultaneously enhancing the law school career placement statistics. A win-win again. Thank you for listening, and please contact me to schedule a seminar and receive your free copy of the Law School Advisor's Guide to Starting a Solo Law Firm. I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you very much.